Chicks here, and we're just going to be doing a night vlog. So, right now I'm camping, and we're just gonna do some swimming and some other stuff. Huge lake we just made. There's Jared and Kobe.
Ew, it smells like it too.
Zach. Just got done swimming for a really long time. It was really fun. We were having a few mud fights, but I'm about to go over and possibly eat, play some games.
On me, trick shot. Oh my god, it landed.
On to blackjack.
Kobe's going all in, $5.
Oh, no quarter. Put that out.
I said $5 and a quarter.
I'm done playing.
Really? No, not the last one.
Just play. Okay, go, Jared. Go. Wait, are you betting all that, Jared?
No, I can't bet.
Oh yeah.
Keep your card down. I can see it. No, you can't. Yeah, it's a 10.
Jared, if you look at my card once, I'm out.
I'm not looking at your card, genius.
Sweet.
Peanuts
Let's
now.
go.
Okay, this is alright. This is alright.
This boy's happy.
Okay, go. Go. Hit me.
Children.
We don't.
You guys play for peanuts.
Are you
now.
hitting? Alright.
No, I'm staying.
Hit.
Stay.
Ew, I hate
Try to get your shell.
No, I'm staying. I'm staying. What do you want?
Where'd you at?
Peanuts? Boy, that looks like a sweet potato.
It's a good.
Nice.
Damn. Hold on.
You're hoping he busts.
Make something happen.
That's what you're banking on. He's gonna bust.
Hold on 1 second.
That's 14.
Boy, Kobe betting $5.
Really? Are you
Oh,
sure?
wait, hold up.
Are you sure?
414.
Come on, make your decision.
Are you sure?
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Are you feeling it now, Donald Trump? Did it bust?
No, I didn't bust.
Oh, he's got 10.
No! I got 20!
I got.
Push. What did you get? 19? Thanks for the 20.
He just got a whopping $5 bill.
Dad, I won $5!
And I'm in my trailer. And I don't think I have enough vlog footage for yesterday. So I'm gonna try to make this a 2-day vlog. Let's get started. The chicken! Ah! This boy casted his worm over the electricity wire. Oh, it almost killed him, but we're safe. Down here,
I'm out.
they're all betting $1.
You're out.
Alright, everyone.
Hey!
The person with the highest card gets all
leave it
the
in
$1! Get it, you idiot!
Get it, you idiot.
Come on.
Stop.
Alright, hold up.
Why are you eating my chips? No, go put those in my tent.
Okay, stop.
Okay,
You
okay.
have a house
Hold
right
up,
there.
hold up.
There's no aces in here, is there?
Hold up.
Okay,
Alright.
he finally counted out his
Four
money.
people
Here we go.
have it. Alright, so
Wait,
Jared,
so we win it all if we win?
yeah.
Josh, you go first. Hell yeah!
No, I'm not going first. I'm not going first. Everyone's in $1. That's
I
trash.
saw you.
Okay, go.
Saw me do what? Go. You pick one? You pick one?
9. Queen, Jack, 10. Oh,
Let's go!
Josh got it all.
Josh didn't win. Josh,
It's a tie. You have to reflip a 9. Oh, it's a reflip. I forgot 10.
Good thing I didn't bet.
Carson took it all home for a midnight walk. Kids think they're so cool going down little hills on their bikes. Our campsite. Disclaimer, do not try this without adult supervision.